Tanker truck designs and regulations have changed since this tragedy, but propane gas containers are still in daily use all over the world. Propane is even said to become the car fuel of the future. If this is going to happen, gas containers that won't explode must be developed. In Holland, a new design is being tested. Its inventors claim it will never explode in a fire. It's a rubber container lined with carbon fiber, similar to a bulletproof vest. The first test is designed to find the tank's failure point. Because the gas becomes a liquid under pressure, water can take its place in this test. So they keep pumping water in until the structure gives way. The container only bursts at well over twice the maximum pressure it would ever encounter in everyday use. The burst reveals the black fibers that give it strength. The second stress test is the one aimed to please car manufacturers. They have to know that a car run on propane gas will not explode in a crash. So the container is smashed at 65 kilometers an hour into a razor-sharp block of steel. It doesn't rupture. The carbon fiber and rubber combination is safe in a crash. The ultimate stress test is to see what happens when you set fire to the new carbon fiber container. As the container heats up, the unique properties of the carbon fiber come into play. It starts to expand and melt. The gas leaks out harmlessly. It burns off, but there are no violent flames and no explosion. As the campsite tragedy showed, when fire breaks out, the traditional steel gas containers will either explode or become flamethrowers. It looks as though this use of new materials could point the way to a safer future. The campsite disaster will never be forgotten. But it is tragic that such a thing should have happened before these new safety measures were developed.
That's a very sad thing, you know, that sometimes accidents have to take place and then there is a reaction and measures are taken. It would be nice, you know, if it was the other way around.